What's up? Thank you so much for watching this video in advance. If you like what you see, okay, giving you all types of purple, lavender, I don't even know what this is. It's like purple, lavender, silver, a little bit of gray, you know, a little bit of spice, a little bit of hot girl summer, if you will. Get into it, honey. Get into it. Yes, 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 yes. I've been going through what I would like to call a metamorphosis. There have been a lot of changes coming my way, and all of these changes I welcome with open arms. If there's nothing that changes, everything always stays the same, and that's not always the best. So I have been taken out of my comfort zone, but I am loving it. I am embracing it fully, and I appreciate every moment that I've had in my life. My birthday just passed, so I turned 29 yesterday. Those moments have come together to make me the person that I am today. And in this moment, I can sit here and I can tell you guys that I finally feel like the woman that I'm becoming, the woman that I was born to be. Like, that's, and there's no greater feeling. I really am excited, like ecstatic. I just want to say thank you so much and welcome to my channel. This is the relaunch of Tiara Linda MUA. Honey, okay, what we have in store for you, you do not want to miss. So if you guys like this look, show me some love by liking this video. Also click the bell that you guys see somewhere around this screen, probably somewhere down bottom, and then also subscribe, because I will be doing more tutorials. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for walking on this journey with me. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off so you guys can watch this look, but don't forget, show me some love, y'all. You know, go ahead and comment, honey. Let me know what you think about this hair, because this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I'm so glad that this makeup look turned out amazing. I love you. I'll talk to you later, babies. Bye.